Okay, Twyla Reed Rams, this video is about the vocabulary, just some of the vocabulary in the story The Paper Dinosaurs that you're reading with Miss Robertson. So let's look at this quick little video about compound words.
Compound words by Mrs. Patterson. What is a compound word? A compound word is formed when two words are joined together to create a new meaning. For example, the word light bulb is made up of light and bulb. Race car, headphones, and sailboat are all compound words. But how do you know what a compound word means? Let's break it down. Trash joined with can makes trash can. It is a can where you put your trash. Using what you know about the word parts will help you form meaning for the compound word. Starting to make sense? Let's look at another one. Foot joined with ball makes football. It is a ball you kick with your foot. Remember to break the word down into smaller words you are familiar with. Now you try. What compound word would you get if you put the words paper and clip together? Right, paperclip. But what does it mean? Remember to use your understanding of the two smaller words. A paperclip is a clip that holds together papers. Great job! Now you are ready to read and understand any compound word. The Common Core State Standards for Ohio state that a second grader will use knowledge of the meaning of individual words to predict the meaning of compound words, such as birdhouse and notebook.
So for our story, there are several examples, and you can use the smaller words inside of a compound word to find out the meaning of it. So in Paper Dinosaurs, you have newspaper. So on the left, I have a news advertisement, and on the right, there's paper. So what is newspaper? It's still the news, what's happening in the world, but it's written on paper. It's not what you would see on the television. You can watch the news on television, but a newspaper is the news in paper format. It is the news written on paper. Homework is in your story. What is homework? You guys know what it is, but if you've ever stopped to think about it, it's work that you do at your home. You guys hear my dog? Overnight. The word over, I put a clock there because overnight means over several hours, and nighttime, of course, you know what that means. But over means around and around, several hours. The clock would turn around and around, and it would happen at nighttime. So over or throughout the night is what overnight means. And one more, whiteboard. All of you have this in your classroom, but where does it come from? Not too many years ago, teachers wrote on a chalkboard, and they were mostly green, sometimes a dark green, light green, but you would write on it with chalk, and that's how teachers did their math lessons or any kind of lessons. And then someone invented this metal board. If you've ever seen the back of a whiteboard, it's hard, sometimes metal, and they're usually white, so you can see the markers on them. So we just call those a whiteboard just because of the color, but a chalkboard would be something you write on with chalk. So those are some compound words for the story, The Paper Dinosaurs.